Okay, I forgot to put the power pole in. So we're gonna attempt this. Oh, yes. Oh. I was scared that pole was gonna fall in the water. All right, so today we're out on Fellsmere once again, because this is the best place we can catch fish right now. Today we got a west wind instead of an east wind like last time. Last time it was super windy coming out of the east, but now we have a west, so we're gonna be protected in this west canal. And yeah, we got the whole lake to ourselves today. It's Christmas Eve. We're gonna see what we can get. I'm gonna throw the same stuff I threw last weekend, but I think we're gonna stay in the west canal today, just so we don't have to fight the wind. And we got a water temperature of 64 degrees. Ah, he got off. A little fish taco. Huh? Finally, if he don't come off right. Woo! Little chunk. Ugh. Ugh. Yeehaw. Goodbye. Yeah. The wind picked up quite a bit, and it got a little cooler. I seen him come up and get that one. That's a good, decent one. Okay. Okay one. Nothing crazy. 14 3/4. Alright. Woo! Goodbye. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh. Woo! Woo! That's a good one. 18 1/4. Cool. Goodbye. Alright. Dang, man, this wind. Something else. There we go. Ah. Oh, jeez. It's been a while since I caught one. Alright. Goodbye. I'm holding on to the grass with the fins. The wind's so strong, it's ripping me out of the grass. So far I got a good grip on them right now, but eventually I'll get pushed out. Alright, so I pulled up the drive so I can get out of this. I have the power pole down right now. If I try to pull up the power pole and pedal back to the canal, I don't think I'm gonna make it. This wind is freaking ridiculous. But here we go. Holy, I thought it was a goner. I tried going that way, but there's too much grass. I caught a fish. I thought I was gonna get stopped by the weeds. The wind just kept pushing me through it. I'm like, oh my God. That's the big one for the day. Oh, don't do that. Oh,
Really?
I got him.
Oh.
Just when I think it was over. Dude, he's hooked. He's pinned in there. Look at that.
Good fiber.
Look at that, dude. Cool. 20 and a quarter.
Dang, you beat me by a quarter of an inch.
$4.69. Get ready. All right, I'm gonna end it there. Super windy day today. As you can tell, it's still blowing pretty good. Caught quite a few fish. The majority of them were dinks, but I mean, the best ones were about 16 inches or so. The biggest fish I caught today was 21 and a quarter, 20 and a quarter. I can't remember. Pretty decent day, even though we're fighting the wind and it's a little chilly out here too. So yeah, kind of rough, but it could be worse. But I'm just still glad I got to come out here on this Christmas Eve and fish a little bit. So I think we're heading back in. We're kind of fishing on our way back in, and so far it's for the past hour or two, it seems like the fishing has been kind of dying off because I think this front has completely moved in and the sun's trying to peek in and out. So we're thinking that the fish kind of got a lockjaw, completely stopped biting. We might get one bite here and there, but it's nothing like it was a couple hours before. Main things today were the speedworm and the chatterbait. I didn't really get any good bites off the chatterbait, but Tim did. He caught the majority of his fish off that chatterbait. It was like a white and gray kind of color, and yeah, mine was completely white. So that much of a difference really made a difference. But other than that, the speedworm, like always, just let it fall to the bottom and kind of drag it on the bottom, hop it off the bottom, kind of try different things as you go, see what works best. But yeah, just seemed like hopping it off the bottom was the go-to thing. So pretty interesting day today, trying to fight the wind and not get stranded out in the middle of nowhere. It was a battle. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like on the bottom, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Oh, and Merry Christmas.
Hey, he's got me looking quite beige.